Right, hi guys, this is Constantino and this is the unboxing video of the Optoma X131 Xe, I think it's the name of the projector. It's a full HD 3D projector that is just got from Amazon. It came in today after 24 hours after my initial order. That's very impressive. The price was £489. And you see the box is well packed, and you can see that the Optoma projector is in place, and I also got those glasses. I got two of them just to have the 3D effect, and with the together with the Optoma I also got this HDMI cable. It's also from Amazon. You can see the quality is very good. So let's go and open that. As you see, it's sealed. The box looks to be fine. That's the actual details of the HD131Xe projector, full HD 3D projector. And it comes with the as I said, those are not included. You have to buy them extra. And let's take this seal out and let's take a look how the projector looks like. I used to own an X2 in-focus projector, but that was a long time ago. So let's see what kind of machine we have here. Alright, as you see, it's well packed, a lot of protective things in here, and we can take the projector out and see how big is that. You can see the box is included, the projector, and also the cable and cable for UK and the rest of Europe. As usual, you know that British want to do things differently, so most of you probably use this one, but this is for UK. And that's the actual projector, so let's open it and see how it looks like. In the meantime, you can see that there is a remote control included with some CD here. You can throw all the things away. Okay. Right, and you can see that the actual projector is this one. I got mine in black color. As you see, there is no caps lens on, and you can also see that there is two HDMI's, VGA and video, and an RS-232 ports. And yeah, let's take this. Let's take this thing out. Right, it looks okay. And those are the characteristics of the model. As you see, it's made in China. So that was the unpacking of Optoma X131Xe. model, and probably I'm gonna come up with another video and see how this thing works. Thank you.